This is a Fisher-Price SpaceSafe high chair. We already have this strapped to a standard dining chair, and I'll just show you the key features that will keep your little one happy and secure. First, we have a very soft and cushy padded seat pad and back, so even if baby rocks and moves around, they will remain comfortable in the chair. We also have two shoulder straps that can be adjusted for a looser or tighter fit. This would be useful as your baby grows or is wearing layers of clothing that need to be removed. And then down below, you can see there is ample room for baby's little legs to fit through. And there is an additional adjustable strap that connects to the shoulder straps. At the base of the high chair, you have a strap on each side that can be connected to help you secure the high chair to the seat of the chair that it's sitting on. There's also an adjustable strap to wrap around the back of the chair, so even if baby is rocking and moving around, the high chair will not separate from the chair until you unbuckle the straps. When baby is strapped into the high chair, you can adjust the angle of the back very easily. And with the tray attached, baby's arms can be placed onto the tray to facilitate meals. The tray itself is quite large, deep enough to prevent food and other items from being pushed off the tray, and the tray can be easily removed for washing and then reattached by using the release tabs located on the bottom of either side of the tray or by pushing the tab located at the front of the tray. And check this out, the white tray is a liner that can be removed separately so you can wash it while baby is still strapped into the chair. The tray and liner can be wiped down with a wet or dry cloth, or for bigger messes, it can even be thrown into the dishwasher. And speaking of messes, even the seat pad can be detached and conveniently thrown into the washing machine as well. Both pieces can be removed when baby is ready to be removed from the chair.